Hi, welcome to EndoSeeds app review. I am Prajot Mindkar reviewing the app now playing. It is a music discovery app. This app allows you to share music with your friends as per your desired context. As you can see, the new layout follows the latest holo design guidelines by Android. You can sign in using Facebook, Twitter, or Foursquare account. Right now I have signed in using my Twitter account, so you can see my profile pic and the name and the checking badge. It provides you various options as you can see now playing notifications, find friends and settings. So this provides you an option by which you can select the sharing settings or maybe a notification as and when you want. Also you can find friends, notifications. So right now I'm just connected to one particular friend, so it will demonstrate the friend whom I am connected to or following. Now coming back to the music timeline, it allows you to view the notification from your friends who are using this application. Also you can see the musics that they have shared. As you can see, I can get into, I could like this, play this particular music using the various options, comment on it. So this is the music timeline that has been provided by the company. In order to engage the users, the app has been gamified to provide badges on each checking. Subsequently, if the user frequently plays the music of a particular artist, the user may be allowed to be the manager of the artist on now playing. Now this feature is more or less similar to Foursquare badges. Moment you check into a particular place, it allows you to gain badges. As of now, the makers of Now Playing have no intention of monetizing this application by the ad platforms, but they might look for it in the future. So let's get playing the demo of this application. So all you need to do is click on this play button and allow it to discover this music. So it gives you a top 10 listings. So the music discovery API is on the same basis how the Shazam application uses. So it will take a while for it to match the context. And as you have seen, this is Hindi song which we have played was from a movie Jab We Met and Tumse. So it gives you the original versions and the remix. Let's try playing an English song. So I discovered that. So allow it a while as well in this case. Probably I just need to play it once more back. Yeah, so it gives you the artist name and the context related to this particular music. So we have seen this demo works well with the Samsung Galaxy S3, and we would really like to hear feedback from you. Do try this application and let us know your feedback. That's all from us at Endosit. Log in to endosit.com for more Android news and keep visiting. Thank you.